Hello everyone, I'm Angelo Ibaharin from the SBA-ML, and today I will be discussing the Polias first step in problem solving. We all face problem every day, from simple decision to complex math questions. Polias methods help us solve problems in an organized and logical way. So there are the four steps. First, understand the problem. Second is devise the plan. And the third is carry out the plan. And the lastly is look back. To show how this works, let's solve a real life math problem. So the problem, a sneaker shop sold a total of 40 pairs of shoes, a mix of Nike and Adidas. Each Nike pair cost 3,000, while each Adidas pair cost 2,000. If the total sales reached 100,000, how many pairs of each brand were sold? So, step 1, understand the problem. Let's figure out what's given. So, total shoes are 40 pairs, and the Nike shoes cost 3,000 and Adidas cost 2,000. So, the total sales is 100,000. We need to find how many Nike and Adidas pairs make up the total. So, we clearly know that we're looking for the number of each type of shoes. So, step 2, devise a plan. For this one, I'll use the trial and error method since it's easier to test combinations. We'll just guess possible numbers for Nike and Adidas until we hit 100,000 totals. So, step 3, carry out the plan. Let's start trying. The first trial, if there are 10 Nikes, that's 30,000. Then 30 Adidas is 60,000. 30 plus 60 equals 90,000. It doesn't enough to reach the 100,000 total of sale. So the trial 2, now we try 20 Nikes times 3 equal 60,000 and 20 Adidas times 2 equals 40,000. 60,000 plus 40,000 equals 100,000. It's that correct. That's the correct answer. So that's a perfect match. So the shop sold 20 Nike pairs and 20 Adidas pairs. Step 4, look back. Let's double check. 20 plus 20 equals 40 pairs total. 60 plus 40 equals 100,000. Everything fits the problem perfectly. This shows the Polias methods really work by understanding, planning, testing, and reviewing. We can solve problems clearly and correctly. So in conclusion, problem solving is just for math. It's a skill we use every day. Whether we're deciding to buy, how to budget, or how to solve business issues, Polias first steps can guide us to the right answers. So that's all for my presentation. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned from my video.